Come celebrate with us our most sought after soup, the Haitian soup Joumou. What makes this soup special, beside the fact that it's really good, is you get to enjoy a little piece of Haiti's celebration of its independence. Now you get to take it at home, enjoy it as well. Just follow the simple recipe. The full recipe is at savorythoughts.com, where you will also find other very delicious dishes. Normally this dish will take several hours to make. We have simplified the prep time for you guys to be able to enjoy this celebratory dish with us. Thank you for watching and hope that you have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave us a comment.